Hello friends, I am Ambika. Welcome to SA Educational Hub, a platform to share knowledge, service providers Situn and Ambika. In this Python tutorial video, we will learn what is a data type in Python, classification of data types in Python, how can we get the data type of an object. What is a data type? A data type is a classification of a data which tells the compiler or interpreter how the programmer intends to use the data. According to Cunningham and Ritchie, the data type of an object determines the set of values it can have and what operations can be performed on it. According to L. Swaggart, a famous author of several Python books, a data type is a category for values and every value belongs to exactly one data type. Data types are classes and variables are instances or objects of these classes in Python because everything is an object in Python. Classification of data in Python. The most common data types in Python are integer, floating point number and string. Python has the following built-in data types: numeric types, integer, floating point and complex. Boolean type, boolean. Sequence type, string, list and tuple. None type, none. Mapping type, dictionary. We can get the data type of an object by using the type function in Python. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Previous video was variables in Python. Next video is numeric data type in Python. Contact us ambikarai27@gmail.com. Thank you.